that provides the vision and direction to the education system is very relevant and responsive to the needs of varied communities.
The stakeholders of the school and community collaboratively crafted development plans. We promote shared leadership and governance and define the roles and responsibilities of the stakeholders. This better facilitates mechanism.
Kining proseso, gikan sa plano, programa, o accomplishment.
With the spirit of SBM in the school, we felt so relevant as we become more competent individuals because we are allowed to represent ourselves in the different organizations. We are also given the opportunity in every decision making.
I am happy that the school is always considering our voice in the decision making and problem solving. Seeing that all leaders make efforts to come up with best plans and ideas make me feel special that I will also give my best as a learner.